Here's one recipe that will make healthy eating easy all week long. It's high in plant protein, high in fiber, and totally delicious. Meat beatamole. My good-for-you guacamole that you're going to want to eat on everything. On wraps, on sandwiches, on toast, as a dip, even off the spoon. Start with 1 avocado. Now, the original recipe calls for 2 avocados, but I'm making a smaller batch because, honestly, one of my avocados wasn't good. Let's add your avocado to the blender. And now, if you don't have a food processor, you can totally do this with a fork or with potato masher or something like that, but I like mine super creamy. To the avocado, we're going to add our beans. These beans add extra plant protein and fiber, but they also keep the avocado from turning brown, so I can keep this in the fridge for several days. And some lemon juice. Garlic. Cumin. And that's it for now. We want to blend that until it's super smooth. Let's add in a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add the rest of these ingredients just enough to pulse them and mix them in. So we'll add some onion. I'm going to add some white onion as well as some green onion. Going to add a couple pieces of jalapeno. And I'm going to pulse that up until it's mixed. Whoops. That looks perfect. Let's add in a handful of cilantro. These add-ins are completely optional, but I highly recommend them. They add so much flavor. But if you want to leave them out, that's completely fine. And I'm just going to add in a few fresh tomatoes. We'll give it one more quick pulse. And that was so easy, and that's our guilt-free guacamole. For breakfast, I put it on my toast, and it adds a little something extra special to my avocado toast in the morning. For lunch, I like to make a high-protein sandwich by spreading this onto a wrap with some crispy tofu, some lettuce, and carrots, a little purple cabbage. I wrap it up really tight, and it makes a really good sandwich. Yeah, that's really good. Next, let's make it into a burrito with some refried beans, some tofu taco meat, onions, some tomatoes, and a great big helping of this beatamole. Wrap it up nice and tight, and that is one great burrito with triple the protein. If you want to skip the tortilla, it's great added to a burrito bowl. I love recipes like this because they make eating healthy so much easier. One batch, so many different ways. It's these small swaps that really add up. More fiber, more protein, things that really fill you up and make you feel good. If you're just getting started with a plant-based diet, then check out the description box below. I have an ultimate guide to going plant-based, which is totally free. And I also have a plant-based starter kit if you're ready to get started. So check the description box below.